Welcome, traders. In this video, I'll show you how to set up automated trade execution using the trading strategy from our partner, Sofex. Sofex offers a high-quality trading strategy for BTC and ETH on the 1-hour time frame. In this setup, I'll walk you through how to automatically execute Sofex's signals using TV Hub. First, we need to create a trade command. To do this, let's head over to TV Hub. I start by selecting the trading pair. We'll make this dynamic later. Next, I define the trade size, which can be set as an absolute value, a percentage of my balance, or a risk-based value. For this example, I'll use 10% of my available balance. Now I activate the stop-loss option and ensure that Use Absolute Value is selected. Next, I enable a Take Profit step and also select Use Absolute Value. Then I set the trade to exit 100% of the position at this take profit level. To ensure full automation, I enable strategy alerts and check the option Close Current Position. Once everything is set, I click Generate and copy the trade command. Next, I open a text editor to format the JSON trade command for better readability. To make the command fully dynamic, I replace the trading pair with the ticker placeholder. Additionally, I manually add 2 lines for the stop-loss expression and take-profit expression. These ensure that the executed trade will use the exact stop-loss and take-profit levels defined by the strategy. You'll find the exact code lines in the video description. Now, let's copy the trade command and head over to TradingView. Open the strategy settings, leave all input values as default, and scroll down to the input fields for long and short alert messages. Paste the trade command in both fields. The other input fields can remain unchanged. Next, we create the strategy alert. Open the alert sidebar, click on the plus icon, and in the message input field, insert the strategy alert placeholder. You'll find this in the video description. Make sure webhooks are enabled in the Notification tab. Additionally, enable email alerts as a backup by selecting Send Plain Text. Now hit Create. That's it. Your automated trading setup with Sofex and TV Hub is complete. Repeat this process for other trading pairs, and you're good to go. Happy trading!